हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल टाइम टू स्टडी। आज हम फिर स्मॉल स्टोरी सीखेंगे। स्टोरी नेम इज द रैबिट एंड द टोर्टोइस। THE द RABBIT रैबिट, AND and THE the TORTOISE tortoise. First line. Once upon a time there was a rabbit and a tortoise. ONC once, OPON open, a TIME time, THERE there, WS was, a RABBIT rabbit, and and a TORTOISE tortoise. And second line, the rabbit always made fun of the tortoise for being slow. THE the RABBIT rabbit, ALWAYS always, MADE made fun, FUN fun of, of the 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 tortoise, TORTOISE tortoise, for for BEING beings, slow, SLOW slow. Third line, one day they decided to race. ONE1 DAY day, THEY they, DECIDED decided, TO2 RACE race. Fourth line, the race started and the rabbit ran very fast. THEY they, RAC race, STARTED started. And and THE the RABBIT rabbit ran, ran very fast, VERYFAST. Fifth line, he saw that the tortoise was far behind, so he decided to take a rest. HE SAW saw, THAT dad, THE the, TORTOISE tortoise, was, W-A-S was, far, F-A-R, behind, B-E-H-I-N-D, so, S-O, H-E-He, D-E-C-I-D-E-D, T-O, to, T-A-K-E, take a, R-E-S-T, rest. Sixth line, he stopped and slept. He S-T-O-P-P-E-D, stopped and and slept. S-L-E-P-T. Seventh line. Meanwhile, the tortoise walked slowly but steadily. MEANWHILE. THE, the tortoise, 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 WALKET, walked, SLOWLY, slowly, BUT, but, STEADILY, steadily. Eighth line. When the rabbit woke up, he saw the tortoise near the finish line. WHEN, when, THE, the, RABBIT, rabbit, WOKE, woke, UP, up, HE, SAW, saw, THE, the, tortoise, TOISE, NEAR, near, THE, the, FINISH, finish, LINE, line. Second last. The rabbit ran as fast as he could, but it was too late. THE, the, REBBIT, rabbit, RAN, ran, FAST, fast, he, COULD, good, but, 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 it, IT, WAS, was, too, TOO, late, LATE, late. Last line. The tortoise was the race. THE, the, TORTOISE, tortoise, was, 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 The THE, the RASE, race. Moral of story is slow and steady wins the race. Thank you for watching.